Hello guys, my name is Terengineer and welcome back to the Know Your Engineer and how to fix the HyperX NGENUITY with this DuoCast microphone for the RGB light for the not working. A lot of people use it for the HyperX device, which means I use it for DuoCast microphone, and this is bug for the NGENUITY because I'm using for the Windows 11, Windows 10 just I guess no problem, but I'm not sure for the install for the HyperX NGENUITY in the Windows 10. So then I will show you how to fix the HyperX NGENUITY. So I'll take it for this screenshot here, and it's a upgrade firmware updating with a DuoCast and stock for the minimums for the 1 minute left. So this is stock for the firmware for the update in this HyperX NGENUITY. So then let's fix it for the issues for the NGENUITY HyperX. I go to the up to down, and this is for the device HyperX NGENUITY, and we recommend you choose the 5.13 version on October 17 in 2022. And that's easy, quick download, and this is should be okay. Just other for the device should be working. Download after and install after, and then finish just like this. For my DuoCast microphone is working just like, and I can control for the light and the audio, but also I can control for the movie with sync. Watch this. That is working. Polar pattern. Look at that. That is how to for the working. So please stay in the 5.13 version here. Do not upload. If you upload, just find version upload messages found for you by the HyperX official. So then, and hopefully the next version HyperX official just fixed it all device. Hopefully. And post on Reddit here, I'm putting it for the description down below, or right top for the, as you can see, just do not update NGENUITY on Windows 11 for this DuoCast microphone versus 5.14 and the latest. This is just allowed for the bug. RGB is not working, and something is glitch for the HyperX device. Just like that, and just for the comments here, and he said legendary is I don't want to say that. So that's how you figure for the guy and the funnel for the versions here. So it's a simple for the fix it for the NGENUITY for the ordinary version. That should be for the working for the ordinary 5.13 to 5.11, I guess. I think so. Alright guys, I found the working, so then let's show you about that. This one is quality is update to the in April 12, 2023. Another for the Windows 11 versions is called KB5025239. I guess this for the versions, the distance is update after, then now it should be working. As for the AI noise utilizations and the limiter, you must open for the AI noise utilizations can enable for the limiter, can turn on and turn off. Because for the main invoker is working. Sorry about it, just delay for the few seconds. That is working, and the first update is complete. It's all done, all set. And this is for new version. I'll show you open on the Microsoft Store. Okay, it's not working for the installed versions on 5.17.1, and here's for the versions is released on April 10 in 2023. And that should be for the working now for the HyperX NGENUITY for the DuoCast. Alright, so then it's only for the oldest version from the Windows 11, and please do not upload. It's only for the new version for the Windows 11. You can upload for the HyperX NGENUITY. So then it's It's a symbol for the fix is for the HyperX NGENUITY for the fix. So then that's it. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you enjoyed guys in this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, thumbs up, and comment. If there are any questions, please comment down below. Let anyone know. But as always, I will see you in the next videos. Bye bye.